here. I wanted to show you what came for me in the post this morning. My new Oxa breathing wearable device. This is the first of its kind in the breathwork world, so let's get into it. Oxa is designed to improve your sleep, recovery and resilience to stress by training your parasympathetic nervous system through personalised breathing exercises. It was developed by neuroscientists from the ETH Polytechnic University in Switzerland. The beauty of this device is it provides the answers to one of the most common questions that I get from my clients. Am I breathing correctly? The device provides instant biofeedback straight to your phone to provide the perfect solution to your breathwork questions. So this sensor here is sending direct biofeedback to the Oxa app on my phone, and what I can see in front of me is 4 things. I can see my calmness level, which I'm currently 8 out of 10, which is relaxed. My heart rate, which is currently around 60 beats per minute. My heart rate variability, which is 58. And my breathing rate, which is around 16 breaths per minute. What I want to do is show you guys how using the app I can bring down my breathing rate and see it live. Really excited to share more insights with you guys.